The other situation I would wish to report would be the matter on the container ship San Antonio. This has already been reported. Ito yung mga lumalabas na international media reports na uh, French ship. But based on our records, it is a Malta flag ship. And ang ang situation is na-atake siya around May 5th. Uh, as per report, it was a drone attack. It was an Iranian drone attack that hit the ship. Uh, there are several crew on board. 7 of them are Filipino crew, Filipino seafarers. Uh, all seafarers are okay. They are alive. They survived the attack. However, they suffered injuries one way or another. More specifically, uh, they're all in hospital. Uh, Undisclosed ang location ng hospital. Di natin sasabihin kung saan ito. But they are in a hospital being treated, and merong 4 sa kanila with relatively minor injuries at 3 in more serious condition na minomonitor din natin ngayon. Okay? Yun muna yung detalyeng ibibigay natin. But rest assured, the seafarers are alive. They survived the attack, and they had been taken out of the ship. And our relevant, di ko muna sasabihin kung anong embassy, but our relevant embassy and labor attaché, migrant workers office, are monitoring their situation, and nadalaw na sila sa ospital. Dadalawin sila ng ospital sa ospital ng ating labor attaché, and may contact na yung ating embahada at labor attaché sa kanila through the hospital authorities. Okay? So nagkaroon na ng communication. Nagkaroon na ng communication sa mga seafarers through the auspices of the hospital authority, with the permission, of course, of the hospital authorities. And then pupuntahan pa sila. Okay? Klaro ba 'yon? Klaro ba? Medyo may magulo ng konti yung pagkasabi ko sa una. So, nasa ospital sila, yung 7, they survived the attack. They are currently all being treated, 4 relatively minor, 3 serious. Nakapag-communicate na ang ating labor attaché at embahada sa kanila through the hospital authorities, at pupuntahan pa sila. Okay? Hindi ko muna madidisclose, maybe at a certain future time, madidisclose natin yung location nila, at magpapasalamat tayo sa pamahalaan na kumupkup sa kanila, yung hospital na yung pamahalaan kung saan nandun yung hospital na kumupkup sa kanila.